Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download HalfSword on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download the new HalfSword game on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for HalfSword on here. After that, you're going to get this Steam link, you're going to click onto it, and now you're going to click on download on here, and then it will download the Steam launcher on your computer. And then it will ask you where you want to install the game onto, so just select your location. After that, click install, and then HalfSword will start installing on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to download HalfSword on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.